Hey there everyone, today we're unboxing another Oris watch, and this Oris watch is one of their aviation watches. So let's take a look. And we'll open this guy up. Now this is an Oris Big Crown ProPilot. It was designed and inspired by aviation, and they've been a specialist in aviation watches since the launch of its first Big Crown, which was back in 1938. So the model we got here is 01752 76984164 0752217FC. Now this is a real slick looking watch, very cool. It's really simple, but the simplicity is what gives it its beauty. And with this line, the ProPilot Big Crown, it's a big deal for Oris. They make lots of variations of this watch, and even when you just switch the band, you change the face color, they look very different one from the other. I've done a video before with the gray face with the stainless steel bracelet, and it looks very different than this one. This one has a more military feel, a real good look to it. You know, again, it's a simple watch, easy to read. This one's got the black face and the gray textile band. Alright, so let's get down to it. This watch has got a sapphire crystal, and it's slightly domed on both sides. Of course, it's got an anti-reflective coating to help with the reflections, and it's a stainless steel case and stainless steel case back. Here you can see it on my wrist. It's a nice size watch. It doesn't look small and it doesn't look too big. What I like is the thickness of the watch, and I love how clear and legible it is. You can see it from far away. Real simple, but it's a striking simple design. This watch has a water resistance of 10 bar, and for those of you who like to switch straps, the measurement is 22 millimeters. So if you're going to switch a strap, 22 millimeters. Here we got the watch in the dark. Glows nice. Thank you. Have a good day.